kitchen. Hello everyone and welcome to Janiki's kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make pizza sauce, and the ingredients are: I am using 500 grams of passata, a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, 1 garlic clove either paste or grated, a teaspoon of sugar, half a teaspoon of salt or to taste, 1 teaspoon of dry red chili flakes or black grounded pepper according to your taste, a teaspoon of dry oregano leaves or freshly chopped oregano leaves, a teaspoon of basil leaves or freshly chopped basil leaves. Heat the pan in low heat and add a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. Make sure the oil is not too hot because when we add garlic, we don't want to burn the garlic. I am adding grated garlic here. Cook garlic for 30 seconds, then add passata and mix well. Now add sugar, salt, dry oregano leaves, dry basil leaves, then dry red chili flakes. Mix it well. Cover it with the lid and cook it between medium to low heat for 10 to 15 minutes or until it's reduced to 3/4. So after 15 minutes, as you can see, it's cooked and it's reduced to 3/4 of its original quantity. So I will turn off the gas. At this stage, the sauce looks very thin, but once it's cooled down, it will become thick. Once it's completely cool, you can keep this sauce in a fridge for a week or in a freezer for 3 to 4 months. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and I'll see you next time with another new recipe. Until then, take care. Bye.